สวัสดีค่ะ You're with me, Lucas ศรีการนะคะวิสุทธิ์ and welcome to Be My Guest, the show that will take you to meet the masterminds of many popular and famous brands in the world of fashion and lifestyle. Now, this week we'll explore a Thai lifestyle brand by the name of Deesawat, which specializes in designer furniture and has made an international name for itself for the quality of its products and modern designs. Deesawat has received numerous awards and is known for its meticulous quality control from the very process of selection of wood and materials to the machinery used for the furniture assembling. Let's learn more about Deesawat right now. You're back with me, Lucas ศรีการนะคะวิสุทธิ์ and at the moment I'm joined by คุณจิรชัยตั้งกิจงามวงศ์ or คุณไม้ the marketing director of Deesawat สวัสดีค่ะคุณไม้
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ Hello.
So คุณไม้ can you tell us about the start of Deesawat?
Yes, for Deesawat industry, right? The company, this is a family business.
Yes.
We start up the business since 1972.
Wow.
Right. So at the beginning, we do a lot of customized and OEM for the European market for the US customer, right? But on the past, like I would say, 8 years, right? We try to develop more on the collection under our own brand. So this is what we are trying to launch and try to promote to the market at the moment.
Right.
Yes.
Why did your family decide to do furniture?
Actually, right, the whole family member, like the whole group is on the wood business, right? We have uncles who is doing another type of materials like a wood, right? But for us, we are specialized on teak wood. So we have direct access to all the raw materials, right? And in the production process, we have on the sawmill, we have the kiln dry facility and all the production by ourselves.
So you can say that during the years that you've started business, your products and designs have evolved from the past quite a lot?
A lot, because at the beginning, we start up with our own showroom in United States, in Singapore, in Hong Kong. We do a lot of rosewood furnitures, like the Oriental style with the marble upper inlay and with all the carving, right? But later, when there's a locking banding in Thailand, we start to shift to the material to teak wood. Right. And for the teak wood, of course, they are all well known for the outdoor furnitures. So we start doing more and more in terms of teak. And at the moment, we are known quite as a specialty for the teak wood furnitures.
I see. So most of your products are teak.
Yes, that's right.
And what kind of products do you specialize in? Do you have any mainly tables or chairs or just everything?
Because first of all, as I mentioned, we do everything from the log, right? Yes. So in terms of production, we are not only doing the furnitures. We all do all the building material, like we have the doors, we have the furnitures, we have building material like flooring, molding, skirting, and staircase. So in terms of project requirement, we can customize to the whole range of the projects at all, actually.
Right, so it's a full option lifestyle brand where you can get it here at Deesawat. And so can you tell us about the concept of Deesawat, the brand?
The brand of Deesawat, actually, right, first the start of our own brand or our own collection is that we try to present to the customer in the different perspective from the existing customer or for the OEM customer, right? In general, most of the garden furniture for outdoor, they are more in terms of conservative and traditional style. Right, but for us, I say, okay, maybe we have some, try to present in some other character. So we try to be playful a little bit and also try to be active and try to have fun with the outdoor living lifestyle, right? So at the beginning, we try to team up with the Japanese designer, Italian designers, and we also work a lot with the Thai designer and even the student designer also. We try to create the collection, okay, this is not supposed to be like a traditional set. We try to play around with, okay, maybe we have some object, something like a very twisting, something to play through a little bit on that.
Right.
So that is the concept that we are playing around. At the beginning of the collection, we try to bring the concept of indoor and outdoor. That means we can bring the comfort of the indoor furniture into the outdoor lifestyle. Right, that is the beginning. So we try to make the outdoor collection a little bit more cozy, a little bit more like touch with all the curve, with all the touching, with all the like profiling, so that you can feel that okay, this is comfortable enough for indoor and what outdoor.
Because usually products that are outdoor have to be more durable for rain,
they are very
sun,
like big
wind.
and bulky
Yep.
and all straightforward, right? So I say, no, we can play full with, because the material itself is good. So we
Yep.
can just play a little bit with all the curve and try to play around with all the concept.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, well with that, what do you think makes your brand the most unique and differentiates it from other furniture brands?
Because we try to be active in the market,
Yep.
right? In some other brand, when they have a new collection on each year, they might have like a few pieces only. But for us, we try to change the concept
Yep.
like every year. Like last time, we have the concept of indoor and outdoor, indoor out, outdoor in, right? And then now we try to create the concept that, okay, maybe the trend of eco-design is coming up. So we try to play around with all the off-cut of raw material. And this is the concept of eco-material that we are doing at the moment, right? Actually, the factory has been certified as a green production factory also. So because for us, we are doing all the cutting of the wood, or we should utilize all the wood almost 100%. So we
Yeah.
utilize all the wastage and everything in the production, right? And the next concept, because we feel that, okay, the trend of the market has been shifting from European market, from US market into Asian market. So what we can be, we should have something to facilitate the Asian market, but Asian market don't have so much lifestyle for outdoor.
Right.
So we want to bring, okay, the outdoor look can be used for indoor also. So we bring back the concept of outdoor to bring
Indoor.
inside.
Right.
This is the new concept that we have
How
this
do you,
year.
I can understand taking indoor, outdoor.
Yes.
But what is outdoor to indoor?
Outdoor to indoor, because normally for the indoor furniture, right, everything is big and massive.
Yes.
Right, but outdoor furniture is more casual.
Yeah.
So if you bring the outdoor furniture, that means you bring the casual living lifestyle into indoor. And in this case, what you can we can facilitate the customer is that, okay, let's say if they live in the apartment or condominium and you have a small balcony,
Yeah.
you can have the same range of the furniture from indoor and outdoor to be the same collection. So that means you expand the whole area of the living area to be. This is the same whole scene. It can match together, because a lot of people are now consider outdoor furniture and indoor furniture as a separate section. But we say no. This is the space that you already pay. Why don't you just use the whole range as the same collection?
And make it sort of a mix between
That's
indoor,
right.
outdoor
That's
feel.
right.
That's very interesting. Yes, and you said you use a lot of teak wood, right?
Yes, that's right.
That is your main material that you use
Because
in your
teak
production.
wood, actually, the nature of the teak wood, the wood itself has been known for a long time already.
Yeah.
And then the wood itself have like a oil in the wood that preserve the wood from all the movement. Right. So in general, if you are, because normally the teak wood has been used for the cheap furniture, for the
Yes.
cruise furniture. So in terms of outdoor resistance, in terms of climate, like cold climate, hot climate, they can resist very well.
Yep.
So that's why we are doing the teak wood for export, because it is like hassle-free. People, I can make sure that there will be no problem with the teak wood in the future,
Yeah.
right? And in terms of construction, because at first we start with all the traditional classic design with the Chinese design furniture. So we are very keen in terms of joinery and all the construction of the wood. So that's why people are getting aware of our concept that, okay, Deesawat furniture is good in quality of the wood as well as the construction that is stable
and
enough.
design.
Yes, that's right.
Right. Well, you use a lot of teak wood. What other materials do you use in your designs?
Right now, we do a lot of combination of material, because for the teak wood itself, sometimes it makes the look very like stiff, right? So we do a lot of combination with the material. Like we have aluminum, we have stainless steel, we have also the wickers, that is a synthetic rattan. And also for the next project we are doing is with the Japanese company, that we are doing the combination of the teak wood with the Japanese tatami.
What is Japanese tatami?
Tatami is like a carpet. It's
right.
like a Japanese carpet. So because we feel that, okay, teak wood can be used for outdoor, but can we combine some other material? So actually, like we try to create a little bit of mix and match combination with all the materials, right? We play around with all the synthetic, we play around with all the, why not just some natural material also? So the tatami is like a glass, woven glass from Japan. So it's a natural material together with natural material. So I see that is a good combination, and there's a possibility of doing that also.
Yeah. So when is this new collection coming out?
It's coming out because we have a major exhibition twice a year.
Yeah.
One for in Thailand we have the Teak Fair. Okay, that is
yeah.
what we are always present the new
Furniture
collection.
fair.
Yes, and also in Europe we have the Milan Fair, and also we have the Maison Object in Paris. Right. The whole new scene for the indoor collection will be launched in this September in Maison Object.
Right. So
Yes.
if you're interested to see what this new collection looks like, be posted.
Yes.
Right. So can you tell us a bit about the process of the production procedures in
Okay.
your...
Normally for us, right, when we provide everything from the log, right, you
Yes.
have the big materials. Okay, the large size or the bulky size of material, we are using it for the doors and molding and like door construction, right? And the next process is that the random size, a smaller size, we use it for furniture production. And of course, all the off-cut and everything, we use it for flooring also. All the process we done in-house. That means we treated the wood, we clean dry the wood to the minimum moisture content, which is around 8%. So that will stabilize the movement of the timber.
Right. So you do everything yourself
Yes.
from the wood selection process
Yes,
down
that's
to
right.
the wood treating and the factories, everything like
Yes,
that.
and also one more thing is that because we have the market range from the high end to the mass production,
Yes.
we also supply to the home centers for the off-cut material also. So that's why we have a good grade for export,
Yep.
medium grade for some certain market, and also for the mass production, we also have the like home center market, right? So in that range, that means we have a proper selection of the quality of the timber.
I see. So it's very whole-rounded.
Yes, that's right.
Wow. And how many people do you actually have in your designing team?
In the designing team in-house, we have about 4 designers.
4 designers.
Yes, and also we have the freelance designer locally in Thailand for the Thai people and also the Japanese people.
Right.
And abroad, we have the design company who is developing a new collection for us, and also with the Italian company also. Right, but every year we try to be like active and we try to challenge ourselves by doing a lot of work with a lot of intern students.
Different partners.
You know, with the student activity, like some of the students, they might have the graduate project or something.
Yeah.
We try to be playful with that also.
Okay.
Even though sometimes it's not a successful collection, but it's a new, fresh idea
Yeah.
and challenging
Because
actually.
sometimes the students are the young ones who have the ideas, but they don't have the experience
Yes,
yet.
that's
maybe.
right. So, okay, it's just to support with them also, and also to fresh up our mind that, okay, the table can be something different. So that's why we try to be like open our collection like concept to a lot of designers.
Right. So you have 4 in your designing team permanently. And how big is your factory?
The factory itself, we have like 200 workers
Right.
at the moment. Right. We do export mainly to USA. We still do a lot of customized and OEM for US market, for France market, and Italian market. Right. But now what we feel in the market is that a lot of customers are now more keen to our standard collection. So that means our brand is getting more and more acceptable by the customer, and then they are aware of our concept actually.
Okay. Well, we'll return after the break and talk more about the marketing.
Yes.